Good morning, class. Happy Friday. It is 7:48. I know I haven't made a video for you in quite some time, but I wanted to make sure I gave you a heads up on what to expect today before we meet at 1 o'clock. So the first thing is it will be a content assessment day, so come prepared. Please email me your notes. I think that's the best way so that I can just approve content assessments, but you're welcome to show me during class as well. And then while those of you who are wanting to take content assessments are doing so, I will answer any questions about your essays and any questions about Checkpoint 6 with creating a government. Remember, Checkpoint 6 truly is a rough draft. I just want to see your ideas and your plans for your presentation. And this is my first time assigning this project as I'm new to PLP this year. So your questions really help me understand the project as well. So I really, truly do welcome those. I want to make sure as well that you share a schedule with me for next week. When is your group going to meet to work and how often? I want to be invited to every meeting so that I can try my best to pop in and check on all of you. Okay? And then remember, when turning in your checkpoint today, each of you will just be copying and pasting your work on the shared doc into PLP so that I can see individually that you've all completed it and give you a score, or at least take a look at it. The final thing is I'm trying to do my best to meet one-on-one with everybody, and I think I've met with almost everybody one-on-one. So we're going to transition now to still having an opportunity to meet one-on-one. But for those of you who have your work turned in, you're feeling confident about school right now, and you may not feel the need to meet one-on-one, I provided some opportunities in the schedule. So I provided the link here. Here's the document. For week 4, next week, anything in orange, so I've given you the key down here, those are my 15-minute one-on-one opportunities. And all you need to do is email me what time that you'd like. Anything in blue is a half-an-hour block in which I will allow multiple students to be in the Google Meet session at once. And basically, you can either have a collective question that we're working on. Maybe I can do a small group math lesson if everybody's wanting to work on something we're working on in math. Or maybe you just would like me available for half an hour and I can just have a group of you working and then I'm available to answer questions as needed. And I will use that as our one-on-one meeting time instead. So let me know what you would like to do and I will fill your names in accordingly. For these small groups, I probably won't take more than 6 students at a time. That would be the max, and I'm happy to have as little as 2. Any individual meetings, again, should be in the orange. Okay, and then as my schedule comes up with Mrs. Klein and Miss Sainten for different things, I'm going to try and put red blocked out time so you know that those are not available. All right. I hope you're all doing well. It's Friday, and I can't wait to see you all either in our one-on-ones or in class at 1 o'clock. Talk to you soon. Bye.